Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Thanks for clicking on the video. Hello, Louise. Yeah, so I'm just testing out my new audio equipment. My wireless microphone. Can you hear me okay? Yeah, just having a coffee in a local pub. Been to visit Diesel's grave. Really windy outside. I think it's blowing a gale. So we'll do some wind testing. Comes with like a clip-on lav microphone. I'll clip it on here. That's better. 1 2 1 1 2 1 2. Carved, like playing cellos and bagpipes and things. Like really peculiarly kind of like looking down with like big heads kind of thing. And, yeah, that was quite interesting.
Is that on your thing as well?
Yeah. No. Yeah, is come here. Is that? Is it? Is this? Yeah. Yeah, Sheila's going around hoovering bits up. Is. No. Terrible behaviour is. Come here. Please. Yeah. Testing 1 1 2 1 2 1 1 2 1 2 1 1 2. Yeah, I've always been made to feel really welcome in this pub. I'd like to offer an aerial photo with the drone as a gift. I think it would be a nice present. Right. Yeah, so that's about it from me today. Hope you've enjoyed this little test video. And I'll catch you on the next one, yeah?